Hi everyone, I'm Michelle and I'm here with Megan and Aaron, and we're here to tell you about all the exciting SIEC programming we have coming up for you.
If you're a hands-on learner, our bootcamp program is still accepting applications in welding, robotics, and machining. So check out our website and make sure you apply.
We are really excited to tell you that Digitized is going to be back in person at the University of Saskatchewan this year on May the 2nd. If you're interested in technology-based careers or just how technology is affecting our society, you can take part in hands-on workshops and hear from industry leaders to learn about this possible career path.
In March, we're going to be hosting 3 live Spotlight on Careers events. On Tuesday, March 21st, join us for our Spotlight on Emergency Services, where we will get to tour STAR's Air Ambulance, the Saskatoon Fire Department, as well as Sask Polytechnic. On Wednesday, March 22nd, we'll have our Spotlight on Law Enforcement, where we will spend the day at the Saskatoon Police Headquarters learning all about careers in policing and corrections. And then on Wednesday, March 29th, we'll have our Spotlight on Tourism and Hospitality, where we'll get to tour Saskatchewan Polytechnic's tourism and hospitality programs, as well as get a behind-the-scenes look at Wanuskewin Heritage Park. Be sure to register, and don't forget about our deadlines.
And it's almost the most wonderful time of year. No, it's not Christmas. It's time for the Summer Youth Internship Program. If you want high school credits, make some money, and some apprenticeship hours, have I got a deal for you. Check out our website for more info.
And if you want to make sure that SYP application is perfect, or maybe you're applying for your own summer job, join us for our resume webinar on March the 30th at 4:30. You can join us online from wherever you may be. For more information and to keep up to date with our programming, be sure to follow us on our socials, subscribe to us on YouTube, and check out our website, saskatooniac.ca. We look forward to working with you.